The next video now, and I'm running. So I'm scared of bees, not really, but oh, there's a little hog. How you doing, Reg? Yeah, I just feel tired. I haven't been outside a lot. I don't know if I should do the Springer or the electric. I'll do the Springer. This is probably my favorite, actually, out of all. I'm gonna stick my pistols inside so they don't, like, because it's really hot out. Yeah, Reg, come on. Come on. Come on, man. Oh my god. It's dumb dog. Okay. Let's go do the Springer. It's the Elite Renegade. Watch out, dog. I meant hog.
Fat dog.
Why are you bringing a 3D pen out here, Lucas?
Because I really like it. What 3D pen would you rather? Your new one or your old one?
A new one. Ugh. Okay. So, this is probably my most powerful gun. And it's my favorite because it's actually really, really realistic. So, gonna go in the shade like we have been doing. Sorry, I haven't been at a cut. Like, me and my brother talking. Alright, I just need to chamber it. Watch out, Lucas, you're standing right in front of my shooting thing. I'm shooting. It's a branch. Alright. Shoot. What's this? What?
That branch over there.
This? I don't want to shoot like their thing. You want to shoot up there? Watch me. I'll shoot that leaf. Yeah, put a hole in a leaf.
What, you actually did?
Yeah.
See? Oh, it's right there.
That's not that one. Louie, watch out, I'm shooting.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, you can't really see.
Well, I just saw that one. I got all my sticks. And,
Yeah, it's a really nice gun, though.
what I'm going to use next is the
Kind of just for show.
So,
Like, it's out. I don't know why, I really want to shoot one over into the valley.
shoot what?
A pellet. Or
Where's a pellet?
a BB.
You did shoot a BB.
Like, I want to shoot it down into that field right there, but that's somebody's property. Yeah, this is probably the only gun that actually has metal in it.
Are you going to go back in?
So, last gun is the electric gun. It's a nice gun. So we got this baby. It's like the hottest out of all of them because first is it's the last one I'm shooting. And it's just all plastic. The handle is just so hot. I don't want it to like soften up the plastic or whatever heat, so yeah, we're gonna probably dump this one. It's a really good gun though. Dude, watch this. I wouldn't hurt. I mean, there's a thing you can shoot people with these, Lou. Yeah, I'm like going it. It's airsoft.
You can shoot people with
Yeah, BB guns is too dangerous.
it? But an airsoft gun is also dangerous?
No, they're just they hurt, but they don't kill you. You can't see it, like. Let's just. Whoa, there we go. Alright, guys, get a mag dump this thing. Watch this.
I like you to do it. You're losing your bullets.
Okay. That's all.
You just lost all of them.
I have a lot more, Lucas.
Oh.
Sorry about my brother, he's being annoying. Bye, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do in my